Hey, just wanted to pop on and show y'all this really cool thing. I knew that you could find your birthdays, but I didn't know that it was so extensive. So if you go to facebook.com/events/birthdays, of course, you can see today's birthdays and recent birthdays, upcoming birthdays. This is what I love because you'll have a week Monday, Tuesday. I'll go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But check this out. Oh, and Saturday. Check this out. July. And I'll have everybody's birthday in July. And then it gets better. Everybody's birthday in August. I hadn't even scrolled down this far, so we might. Oh, yep, we have September's. So you can send those cards out and get them there in time. I thought this was way cool. That's it. Y'all have a great Sunday.